This is our green roof design by Casey, Connor, Ethan, and Jenna. This is a general picture representation of what the green roof would look like, with the back wall, the thermal insulation blanket for heat insulation to keep the heat out, and the window for sunlight and the greenhouse cover. And there's also LED lamps that emit UV rays to help the plants grow.
So a simple overview of our green roof. It'll be on a building that has a roof of 50 feet tall, 50 feet wide, and stretches 100 feet back. And the surrounding area has identical buildings, which could all be used for future green roofs. And the climate in the neighborhood is generally hot and the air quality is low. So the green roof would assist in improving the climate.
Some plant choices that we chose to use were basil, parsley, and sage. And we chose these plants because they're low maintenance and do not require a lot of water.
The pros and cons. The pro is it's a natural insulator against heat and noise. It lowers energy demands by up to 75%. It removes heat from within the city. It lengthens the life of the roof so it doesn't have to replace as much. It reduces runoff in cities and it absorbs pollution in the air. But the cons are it's expensive. It's between $8 and $40 per square foot. It requires extra maintenance. There's possible leaks resulting from it, which could have possible structure damage, which is very expensive. And there's a limited plant choice when making the greenhouse.
So one of the methods we're going to have to take is barriers that would be placed around the green roof. And this is to prevent the plants from growing onto the sides of the building and possibly damaging the structure. Another method would be having the slightly slanted rooftop that ensures water runs off smoothly and will not build up. Another method is to check the wind and air pressure, because the wrong amount of air pressure could affect the plants in a negative way and make the green roof unsuccessful. And the last method would be to figure out the locations of the green roofs in the future.
So some questions that we should be asking about the location are, will there be enough rainfall for the plants? And is there too much wind? Will the roots affect the building?